Hello learners, NIOS welcomes you to Painting Subject video series. This is lesson 17, Murals and Printing part 3. Now we will discuss the summary and question and answers of this lesson. What have we learned from this chapter? In Indian art, murals are of historic importance. Artists used mediums and techniques according to the availability of materials in their geophysical location. The people of that time had developed their own scientific methods which helped preserve artworks over a long time. Printing is an age-old technique with its roots in folk art. In the earlier time, people used very rudimentary printing techniques. They would use their palm, fingertips, etc. to create murals on walls and floors. Over the ages, this very technique of printing developed into textile printing technique using the blocks. The blocks were made out of various materials. They were wooden, clay, wax, soap, etc. And the same technique was further developed to print documents, books and artworks. Questions related to the Ajanta mural. What is the number of caves at Ajanta? Question number 2. Which cave is the site of the Padmapani Bodhisattva? Question number 3. Why is this particular figure named Padmapani Bodhisattva? Question number 4. What is the medium of this mural? Question number 5. How were the colors white, green and yellow made for this mural? Answers. First, there are 30 caves at the Ajanta cave complex. Answer number 2. The Padmapani Bodhisattva mural is located in cave number 16. Answer number 3. The Padmapani Bodhisattva is named as such because Buddha is holding a lotus blossom in his hand. Answer number 4. The medium is tempera, that is a dry fresco. The colors were obtained from various sources. So, the green was obtained from terravert, that is earth. White was obtained from lime, and the color yellow was taken from ochre, all natural sources. Questions related to printing. Question number 1. What are the printing blocks made of? Question number 2. How many times could a block be used? Question number 3. In printing, how many steps are involved in finishing the print? Answers. Blocks are made with materials like wood, rubber, wax, soap, etc. And these were known as blocks. Answer number 2. Blocks could be used for years, and uniform copies could be created in large numbers. Answer number 3. This printing technique results into images finished at once, at one go. Questions related to printing with vegetables. How are blocks made in this technique? Question number 1. Question number 2. How does this technique make creation of images easy? Question number 3. Which vegetable is used for making blocks for printing letters and numerals? Question number 4. In the case of letters and numerals, why should the carving be in reverse? Answers. Blocks are made with sections of different vegetables. For example, the okra can be cut cross section. The capsicum can also be cut cross section. Potato, yam, sweet potato can be cut length or cross section wise. Answer number 2. This technique makes creation easy because the same block can be used for making several copies quickly. Answer 3. Potato, yam or sweet potato is used for making blocks for printing letters and numerals. Okra, capsicum, etc. would not be, you cannot engrave letters and numerals on it because they give floral shapes, whereas potato, yam, sweet potato can be engraved, can be carved with the letter or the numeral so that the same impression can be printed. Answer number 4. The reverse. So, the mirror image or the reverse must be carved if you want to have carvings of letters and numerals. Example, you want to carve R. If you carve it the right way in the block, at the time of making the print, the reverse form will come out. But if you carve the reverse image, when you print it, it will come out correctly. Questions related to printing with thumbs, palms, sole, fingers. Question 1. Which parts of the body are used in this technique? Question number 2. How is color applied in this technique? Question number 3. Why is a brush or pen Question number 3. Why is a brush or pen used in this technique? Question number 4. How is this technique of printing different from the other techniques of printing, like printing with vegetables or printing with blocks? Answers. Answer number 1. The body parts used are the thumb, the fingers, the sole, as well as the palm. These can be used as blocks to make various kind of designs. Answer number 2. In this technique, the color is first applied on the fingers. Whatever type of color you are using, dip or place your finger or your thumb, the tip part, and then press it onto the surface to get the desired print. Answer number 3. In this technique, a brush or pen is used to finish the work. As you saw, the birds on the branches, the bird figure were created by the thumbs, but the beak and other additional features, even in the tiger or the bear impression, additional features like the eyes, the teeth were made with a brush or a pen. Answer number 4. This technique is simpler and easier than other techniques of printing, because in the other techniques you have to carve the block first, but here your sole or your palm or your finger or your thumb is ready. You just have to dip it in the color and then get the desired impression. Terminal questions from the lesson Murals and Printing. These selected questions have to be attempted by the learners themselves. Question number 1. Describe the different techniques and mediums of mural making. Question number 2. Why and how did printing come into existence? Question number 3. Write in detail the different techniques of printing. Question number 4. Explain the vegetables used for block printing. Question number 5. List in detail the uses of printing. I hope you enjoyed watching part 3 of the lesson. If you have any queries, please email us at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. For more information, you may visit our website www.nios.ac.in. Thank you.